Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to check linked accounts Alibaba application on computer. So how to check linked accounts Alibaba application on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to the Alibaba application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Alibaba. Just move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many options. Tap this profile icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. And then tap the account menu. Many menu options will appear like this. Tap the Manage My Connected Accounts menu. This functions to check accounts connected to the Alibaba account, ensure security, manage third-party access, and delete unwanted connections to protect user data and privacy. So that's it, tutorial how to check linked accounts Alibaba application on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.